is done collectively between myself and the primary physician.
Yes.
So I'm welcoming anybody who is struggling with challenges they don't understand. Don't die alone.
Yeah.
Come, let's talk.
Thank you.
Dr. A Wellness.
Thank you so much, guys. And it's amazing. It's been great having Dr. Agnes. And for information, I am a foot health practitioner as well, much as I do my podcast, but I'm a foot health practitioner in relation to podiatry. Most of you who would have foot challenges, I am good at that. And then the first thing you should know once you're pre-diabetic or diagnosed with diabetes, kindly I would advise you that the first thing you should think about is change your footwear. I know most of you do not know that there are shoes for people living with diabetes. Do not come to us when you are actually late. You need to change your footwear first. There are certain shoes that will take you out immediately so that you do not have to get these foot challenges. So thank you so much. It's my pleasure once again, and we appreciate you for sharing our content. Share our content, share it out for anyone who would want to have great information with you. Once again, I would like to appreciate you, Doctor, with your busy schedule. Please visit her center, which is at
Dr.
Chira,
M.
Dr. Way Wellness, Chira, as you're going to Kasangati, Chira roundabout, just 400 meters on your left. You'll be able to get Dr. A Wellness Center. Probably you can give us your contact for those who would want to tap on you immediately.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, thank you, Brian. Thank you for this opportunity. Um, Ladies and gentlemen out there, this is my final, maybe, statement. Sugar is not your enemy, but it should not be your daily visitor either, because it will mess with your mood, your energy, your weight, your hormones, and yes, even the manhood and your sexual performance. Okay. So let us work together to rebuild your energy, help your body, to remember what balance, what life really feels like. If you want to get me on phone or to find us on phone, we are on 0700 162 402 or 0770 868508 or 0772 333 402, or even on our social media handles. All my social media handles are Dr. A Medical Wellness Center, and you'll find us on all of them. If you cannot find us, please put your comment on the podcast, on the Bravo Brian's podcast. That comment, that need will reach us. So we are on the Chiraka Sangati Road from the Chira roundabout, just before Starbucks on your left. You'll see Dr. A Medical Wellness Center.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
very
guys.
much.
Thank you so much, guys. Please share our video. If you have been moved and touched by our information, kindly share it to your audience and we'll be very humbled with you. Thank you so much and keep watching.